What's up guys, a very beautiful start of the week to you all. Today we want to see how to design a medical logo on your Pixellab application, then you proceed to mock it up on the Photopea application. So this is a twin tutorial where I will be showing you how to design and later on to mock it up on your Photopea application. Welcome once more to the channel. This is Don's Graphics here, and if you are yet to subscribe to our channel, please do so. Hit the subscribe button right now, turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any of our tutorials. To all our returning subscribers, thank you guys so much, we really appreciate it. So without wasting much of your time, let's get started. And I'm going to go to my background. This is your background option. Click on your background, then you click on color and give the background a dark color. After giving the background a dark color, click here to select a shape. So we are first of all going to select this circle shape, then come down to give it this blue color. So we are using this blue color. Then now you can go to your relative position and make sure that everything is on the middle. After that, copy the shape, then you give it a white color. Also go to relative position. So click on relative position and make sure that it's also plumbed to the middle. Now click on position and begin to shift it to the right. After shifting it to the right this way, step it down. Click on this down button to bring it down by 1 or 2 steps. Okay, I think 1 step is just okay. Then go to your layer. This is your layer panel. Click on layer, then you click here to mesh the shapes. So we're going to select, and after selecting them, just click here and the shapes will automatically be meshed. Then you go to erase color, tap on the erase color, enable it and increase the tolerance a bit. Then you can click on the check mark to proceed. So as you can see, we have successfully created the first shape for this logo. So after creating this first shape, the next thing you need to do now is to copy it. Just copy it, go and enable color and give it okay, so let's just leave it with the same color, no issues at all. Then we can go to our 3D rotate. Click on your 3D rotation and rotate this by 180 degrees. So after rotating it by 180 degrees, I would love you to reduce the size. Place it this way, then go to size, come to size. Please, as you follow the tutorial, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So click on size and let's reduce the size to just about 50. So after reducing the size, use your position to bring it down this way. Then you can even arrange it to make it more proper. Good. So after arranging it, go to your rotation and begin to rotate it this way. So let's just rotate it by 5, then come back to position and spread it out. Okay, good. So after spreading this out, we are good to go. So the next thing we are going to do is to click on shapes. Then we choose this square and increase the radius to about 40. Then we are going to reduce the size to something smaller. So we want to have something much more smaller. Just bring it down here. And after bringing it, copy it. And as you copy it, rotate it this way. Then you can push it up to make sure that it plumbs well with the first shape. So let's just click on layer. Okay, good. So the next thing we are going to do is to click on layer and match it up. So we're going to match it, the two shapes together, and after merging it, go and enable the color, and we want to give it this light green. So after giving the light green color, just copy it and bring it down here. Then you can rotate it as well. Okay, so if you don't want to rotate it this way, you can always use your 3D rotation to do the work for you. Alright, you see how that plays. So let me just take it all over. So you just copy this, click on copy, and after copying it, go to your rotation and begin to rotate. So we are going to rotate this by exactly 180 degrees as well. So you use the position button now to bring it here this way. Now let's go and change the color into something different. We want to give it this other version of green. Then you can click to back, send it to back, and after sending it to back, just make sure that it's aligned properly. Okay, good. So click on the first one, go to shadow, enable your shadow, reduce the blur radius a bit, offset the X offset should be at -10. As you can see, we have an X offset of -10. Then you can offset the Y by up to 5 degrees. Okay, good. So that we have something like this. Now go to your background and change the background color to white. I hope you can see this now. After changing the background color to white, just go to layer, select everything and match it up together. So after matching everything up together, you can even reduce the size a bit. Then go to your relative position and tack it to the middle. Let's push it up a little more. Good. So the next thing we are going to do is to write the name of this clinic. So it's Medicare. So it should be in capital letters. Then you go and give it the same sky blue color. So we are giving it the same sky blue color. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that you are not left out when interesting designs are released. So we're going to go to our font and give it Archivo black font. Click OK. Then you can even increase the size a bit, and after increasing the size, tap on relative position to make sure that this is on the middle of your design layout. So the next thing that we are going to do, we can even increase the size a bit and arrange it properly. So the next thing we want to write is to write clinic. So write clinic in capital letters, and after writing it in capital letters, just go and give it the other version of green. So we just want to maintain this. Then you can go to font, and for the sake of this, we want to use Montserrat bold. Then tap on relative position and make sure that this is also on the middle. So good. With this, we are done with the Pixellab version of our logo design. All you need to do now is to save your work. So we are going to save our work here, but note, before you save your work, I would love you to save it with a transparent background. So we are going to click on background and make the background transparent. This will enable us to mock it up on the Photopea application. So please don't go away. In phase 2 of this tutorial, I will be showing you how to mock up this design on your Photopea application. But before that, don't forget to save your work So we are going to save this as PNG and as Ultra. So it's done saving. The next phase of the tutorial will be on how to mock it up on your Photopea application. Please, if you have not subscribed to our channel up till now, just click on the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that you are always informed when we put new content. Thank you so much. I'll be right back. So guys, after designing and saving your logo on the Pixellab application like this, the next thing you will need to do is to go to the Photopea application and mock it up. So I will be taking you to my Google Chrome browser. I have it here and I will be typing in the Photopea web address. So I just want to type it here because I want to use the online website. Otherwise, you can download Photopea on your Google Play Store or your App Store. Now, here you will see me writing photopea.com. So this is the website. All you need to do is to type it, the web address, then you search it out. Now, pay attention here that this website responds to how fast or how slow your connection or your connectivity is. So if you have some network wahalas or some network troubles, you might find difficulties accessing this site so fast. So if it loads up, you will face some difficulties if your network is disturbing. That notwithstanding, is a very nice website. So let's go to let's proceed to see how we are going to mock this up. So today I want us to choose a template on the Photopea website. Okay, otherwise you can use a PSD logo markup that you might have downloaded and stored on your phone. That way you will be clicking from computer. But today we want to focus on a template on the Photopea website. So that's why we are clicking on the templates. On how to use it, a PSD markup, that will be a tutorial for another day. So for today, let's work on our templates. So I'm just going to click on the templates and wait for it to load. So as it loads, you look up here, you will see that we have about 779 markups on the Photopea website. But that's not our focus because I want us to shift to this right side. So when you shift to this right side, you begin to see a lot of markups, a lot of them showing to you. So where do we really want to work? I want us to work with this 3D building. So can you see this? Just click on it. So after clicking on it, you need to click up here again. Click here again for it to load and open. So just wait for it to load. Remember, if you are having network issues, you might find some delays. That notwithstanding, it will still open. So we want to use this building, this 3D building, to mock up our logo. And where do we begin? I guess this match very well for our logo since it's for a health brand. It's a medic clinic. So this building actually looks like a medical clinic. That's why I chose to use this logo, because as a designer you must match your designs to concepts that are related. So I want us to click here on the layer panel. So here you will see layer, just tap on it. Now when you see click on layer, you will see another portion which says your logo here. All you need to do is to click on. When you look inside, you will see something like a square, a small square in here where I'm showing this yellow arrow. All you need to do now is to click on that portion, double tap twice, tap, and when you double tap twice, you will see that this other layer will open for you. So what you need to do now is to click on logo here to hide it. So I want you to click here, hide this, click on logo here and hide it on that eye icon. So click on it to hide the original logo that was here. After clicking on it, click back on layer to see where you will place your logo now. So this is the portion where we are going to import our logo and place it. So let's go. Where do we import our logo? Now look up here on file, click on File, and after clicking on File, I want you to click on Open and Place. So just click on Open and Paste, then choose from Files. Now let's go and bring in the logo that we created, that was on Pixellab. Remember, we saved it without a background, so this is the logo. So after bringing it here, all you need to do is to increase it and scale it so that it fits so well into our design. So after placing it like this, click back on File. After clicking back on File, click on Save as Smart Object. Click on Save as Smart Object and wait. So they say Smart Object updated. So if your network is also fast, it will update very fast. After having that, I would love you to click back on this business. Okay, just click here on the first layer to see your logo markup. Can you see the logo has already marked up? So what are we going to do? How do we download our logo now? To download your logo, click back on File. Now click on Export As. Okay, sorry. So let's click on Export As. That is exactly where we're going to download our logo. Now click on PNG and you will see this. So after clicking on PNG, it will open up for you to see your work. So all you need to do is to click now on Save, on this Save button. Click on Save, and they say Photopea requires you to watch a small ad. No troubles at all, because we are using the free version. So you wait to watch the ad. Now let's just watch the ad.
This apartment has a sea view. Well, technically it does, to avoid.
So the ad is now showing. After 4 seconds, we'll get our reward and the logo will be downloaded. So download again, no problem. I already did that, so that's why asking me to download. I will download anyway. So it's downloaded. Let's open it and see. Very beautiful, right? So this is our logo. It has been mocked up on this what I can term Medic Clinic. So you can see Medicare Clinic. So this is our logo, and that does it for how to design our logo on Pixellab and mock it up using the Photopea application. I hope we've all learned 1 or 2 things here, and if you did enjoy the tutorial, drop a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more contents. God bless you. See you some other time.